Learn English to Gujarati career words, training to.
Shram Bazaar.
Welcome to your career adventure. Hey, you're about to learn useful Gujarati words for education and work, and yes, we will make it less scary than filling out a form with 27 boxes. Let us warm up together. Today your mission is simple. Learn 8 practical words in Gujarati that can help you talk about learning, jobs, and your future. We will meet training, further education, study, internship, application, career, work experience, and labor market. In Gujarati, these are
તાલીમ, આગળનું શિક્ષણ, અભ્યાસ, ઇન્ટર્નશીપ, અરજી, કારકિર્દી, કામનો અનુભવ,
and.
શ્રમ બજાર.
If one of them feels long, do not worry. Long words are just short words wearing winter coats. The study room. First, let us enter the magical room where coffee is strong and motivation is sometimes hiding under the desk. You know this room well. The word for study is
અભ્યાસ.
Say it slowly.
અભ્યાસ.
You can say, study is important for success. In Gujarati.
અભ્યાસ સફળતા માટે મહત્વનો છે.
Imagine a student saying, I need time for.
અભ્યાસ.
So please stop inviting me to 7 birthday parties in 1 week. A funny memory trick. A book tells you more.
અભ્યાસ.
Less dramatic staring at the ceiling. Leveling up. Now let us move from basic learning to serious improvement, the kind that makes your future self nod proudly. Training in Gujarati is
તાલીમ.
Think of skill building, practice, and getting better at something useful. Example. The training starts next month. In Gujarati.
તાલીમ આવતા મહિને શરૂ થાય છે.
Further education is.
આગળનું શિક્ષણ.
It literally feels like education that goes forward. Very honest word, no tricks. Example. Many adults return to further education. In Gujarati.
ઘણા પુખ્ત લોકો ફરી આગળનું ಶಿಕ್ಷણ તરફ પાછા ફરે છે.
Quick contrast.
અભ્યાસ.
Is study.
તાલીમ.
Is training, and.
આગળનું શિક્ષણ.
Is further education. One is what you do, one is skill practice, and one is continued learning. The intern with the giant ID badge. Time for the famous first step into the real workplace, where you smile professionally while secretly wondering where the printer lives. Internship in Gujarati is.
ઇન્ટર્નશીપ.
Conveniently, it sounds familiar. Example. This internship gives useful experience. In Gujarati.
આ ઇન્ટર્નશીપ ઉપયોગી અનુભવ આપે છે.
A mini story. On day 1 of.
ઇન્ટર્નશીપ.
Ravi arrived early, wore his badge proudly, and then asked a plant for directions. The plant, sadly, was not in management. Remember this link.
ઇન્ટર્નશીપ.
Often gives you.
કામનો અનુભવ.
Which means work experience. Papers, hope, and mild panic. Ah yes, the noble art of submitting documents and pretending you totally did not check them 12 times. Application in Gujarati is.
અરજી.
Short, useful, powerful. Example. I submitted my application yesterday. In Gujarati. Mem gaikale mari.
અરજી.
Sabamita carry. You can also say, please fill out the application carefully. In Gujarati. Kirpa kareen.
અરજી.
Dunathi borrow. Funny image. Your.
અરજી.
Is so important it wears tiny glasses and says, please spell everything correctly. I believe in us. Building the big future. Now we zoom out from one form or one class and look at the bigger picture, your whole professional journey. Career in Gujarati is.
કારકિર્દી.
Example. A career takes time to build. In Gujarati.
કારકિર્દી બનાવવા સમય લાગે છે.
Work experience is.
કામનો અનુભવ.
This is the part of your story that says, I did the thing, not just read about the thing. Example. This job requires 3 years of work experience. In Gujarati.
આ નોકરી માટે 3 વર્ષનો કામનો અનુભવ જરૂરી છે.
A simple connection.
ઇન્ટર્નશીપ.
Can lead to.
કામનો અનુભવ.
And that can help build your
કારકિર્દી.
the big job jungle. Finally, let us visit the giant world where employers, workers, dreams, skills, and spreadsheets all collide. Labor market in Gujarati is.
શ્રમ બજાર.
Example. Young graduates are entering the labor market this year. In Gujarati.
આ વર્ષે યુવા સ્નાતકો શ્રમ બજારમાં પ્રવેશી રહ્યા છે.
Think of.
શ્રમ બજાર.
As the big system where jobs, workers, and opportunities meet. Funny image. Instead of vegetables, a market stall sells interview tips, confidence, and one emergency clean shirt for Monday morning. Quick dialogue drill. You are doing great. Now listen to this short scene and notice how the words work together. A. What are you doing this year? B. I am focusing on.
અભ્યાસ.
And.
તાલીમ.
A. Nice. Are you also thinking about?
આગળનું ಶಿಕ್ಷણ.
B. Yes, maybe after work. A. Did you send your
અરજી.
for the summer program? B. Yes, and I hope to get in.
ઇન્ટર્નશીપ.
A. That will give you.
કામનો અનુભવ.
B. Exactly, and it will help my.
કારકિર્દી.
A. Smart move. The.
શ્રમ બજાર.
Can be competitive. B. Then I shall arrive with skills, tea, and determination. Mini quiz time. No stress. This is the fun kind of quiz, not the kind where your brain suddenly forgets every word it has ever known. What is the Gujarati word for training?
તાલીમ.
What is the Gujarati phrase for further education?
આગળનું ಶಿಕ್ಷણ.
What is the Gujarati word for study?
અભ્યાસ.
What is the Gujarati word for internship?
ઇન્ટર્નશીપ.
What is the Gujarati word for application?
અરજી.
What is the Gujarati word for career?
કારકિર્દી.
What is the Gujarati phrase for work experience?
કામનો અનુભવ.
What is the Gujarati phrase for labor market?
શ્રમ બજાર.
Your friendly conclusion. You made it, and your vocabulary is now stronger, smarter, and slightly more employable. Today you practiced.
તાલીમ. આગળનું ಶಿક્ષણ. અભ્યાસ. ઇન્ટર્નશીપ. અરજી. કારકિર્દી. કામનો અનુભવ.
And.
શ્રમ બજાર.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, use them in little sentences, and come back again soon. Your future self and your vocabulary notebook will both be very grateful.